Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change your age on TikTok. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. So I bet you're watching this video because you accidentally put in the wrong age and you cannot find how to change it anywhere on the app. Well, you're in the right place and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You want to head over to the TikTok app. Once you do that, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. From here, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner and click Settings and Privacy. From here, you want to scroll down until you see Report a Problem underneath Support. You want to go ahead and click that. From here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to go ahead and click on Account and Profile. Once that's loaded, you want to go ahead and click on Editing Profile. And then you want to click Other. From here, you want to go ahead and click No. And then click Need More Help. From here, you just want to go ahead and type in Hi TikTok. I was hoping that you would be able to change my age on my TikTok account. I'm not the age that I said I was when I was signing up. I can show you an ID if you need to see one. And make sure to say thank you at the end. And you don't want to send a picture of your ID in this message, but if they come back to you and ask for your ID, that's when you should send it. So it should take a couple of days to hear anything back if you do. And it's how you change your birthday on TikTok. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you in the next video.